We start into spring and it just really gets to be a lot of fun. Spring is just magical. We start off with 100% cotton. It's a black and milk color. It's not a real white. It's a black and milk, and it's beautiful. It's a panel. Each panel is a yard, and it goes from this point to this point. And you can see that they can go any direction. It is a stretch woven, and it's just absolutely stunning. These are Alexander Wang fabrics. This is a silk cotton knit. Solid black silk cotton knit. Both sides are usable, has a one-way stretch, great drape, beautiful fabric. So the navy is called Marlin for spring, and this is the Marlin. This is reversible. The dots are all over. You can use both sides to make an outfit. It is a woven. And then with it, I put a matching navy that has stretch in both directions. Like this Marlin from one side to another changes, but this comes in just right at the same tone. And again, they're stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly. Then one of the colors for spring is called chambray. And this is it. And this is 100% cotton. It's a sheer. It's just stunningly beautiful. I mean, it's just beautiful. Great drape. It's a woven, but you can see a top, a blouse, even, their new yoga pants would be really beautiful. And then this color is also new. It's called Desert Flower. And you can see same as the Marlin, but this is a reversible also, 100% cotton woven. Just beautiful, beautiful fabrics. I'm just so privileged to bring them to you. So the goal is happy spring sewing from Silhouette Patterns.